Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro and AirPods, and I will show you how you can pair these two devices. So at the first you have to open the notification bar, then click and hold the Bluetooth icon to enter the Bluetooth settings. And right now we have to open charging case of our AirPods, rotate the case like that, and then we have to click and hold this button to boot them into the pairing mode. So click and hold. When this indicator starts blinking, you have to push this button, release that button, then tap to pair your device and tap on the switcher. Okay, you don't even have to tap because it turns automatically. When the AirPods pops in the available devices list, we have to simply tap on them, then click to pair. And as you can see, after a few moments, our AirPods are connected to ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.